Hello, this is Salvador Almanza recording for my Communication C1000 class. This is 8.5, how to make instructional speech outline. So I will be showing you how to make a piñata. A piñata has a lot of ties with Mexican culture, as you know. I'm pretty sure it started somewhere in Asia with clay pots that they hit with sticks, but traveled west. Spaniards brought it to Mexico. I'm pretty sure it originally was the ball with 7 cones on it, symbolizing the 7 sins. It was a religious tradition, I believe. And I'll show you how to make one. You'll need paper. No, hold on. You'll need paper, something to mark things down with. Or, well, actually, we'll be using cardboard for the real thing, but I don't have cardboard on me right now. So we got paper and something to mark with, usually a marker, but pencil will do since it's paper. A glue stick, you'll probably want better glue, but a glue stick and paper. And then scissors. Probably want heftier scissors if you are going to be using cardboard. It could be any size, really. Obviously you see larger pinatas. The one I made was it was 4.5 inches by 5 inches, so really small. It was just piñata de Julian Alvarez. So just gonna get your paper, get two. A really simple shape is what I'm gonna be doing. We're gonna cut off a circle. So I'm gonna mark a circle. There is a perfect circle, and I'm gonna get these scissors. I'm just gonna cut it. And obviously you'd be measuring more, making it more precise, but this is just a mock thing. We're making a mock for now. That's what paper's for. So got circles, and since it was 2 pieces of paper, I had 2 pieces. I don't know if I showed that. I had 2 pieces of paper. Now I got 2 circles, and obviously you'd want something sturdier. Then you're gonna make a ring, or you'll be making something like a ring. Luckily the stick note already has a pretty well. It's not actually enough to make a full circle. Wow, that's unfortunate. How about this way? Not there either. Wow. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut this in half. So the setup's really bad right now. Doing it on my bed because I don't have anything better to do. Oh, I don't got a better place. But I'm sure when the time comes for the actual project, I'll have a much better place. Probably have an actual table and a whole setup so you can actually see. But right now, I just cut one other sticky note in half. And the idea here is that we're going to put both the circles on each side and have this kind of connect them together. So, we'll have them on each side beautifully like this. And it could be any shape, but I know I chose a more complicated shape for my actual piñata project in our class, and I made that work by making 2 separate chambers instead. But I don't have tape. You're also going to need tape. I should have mentioned that when we got to the materials. But yeah, imagine I put these on really nice and proper, and I had tape to actually have them well structured. But basically, you'd have your cylinder shape. You put your 2 faces on there on both sides. And that would make a pretty nice circular piñata. I have glue right here. I can't make it work right now. But, if this was nice and neat, your next step would be adding colors or layers. So, you can make like a bunch of fringe things for the sides. I think that's what I'm planning to do. I haven't completed my piñata project yet, but it'll be done by the time the actual assignment happens. So I'm just making some fringes right now. I guess I should probably show the camera. Just, nothing really good. Just making some fringes to show you how to layer on the sides. So you're not really going to be coloring with markers or anything. You'll be coloring with layers of construction paper. layers of paper, so you can get it nice and hardy, so you can hit it repeatedly. And basically, the idea is you're just gonna tape on your paper, um, build up layers. I'll just show one layer since I am running out of time. But you see, I built up one layer on my piñata, and then I'd stack more and more, different regions of different colors on different places to get designs going. But that is the gist of how I'm going to show you how to make a piñata. I'm running out of time. Great time. I'll show you my real thing when I get it. But as for now, that'll be it. Goodbye.